Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic: stewed versus grilled chicken. Which is the healthier option, especially for those concerned about prostate health? Let's find out. Chicken is a fantastic source of lean protein, a staple in many healthy diets. But how you prepare it can make a world of difference, not just for your waistline but for your overall well-being, including specific concerns like prostate health. We're going to break down the nutritional pros and cons of these two popular cooking methods, helping you make informed choices for a healthier lifestyle. It's not just about what you eat, but it's prepared. We'll explore how stewing and grilling affect the fat content, the potential for inflammatory compounds, and the overall nutrient profile of your chicken. This isn't about declaring one method universally bad and the other good, but rather about understanding the nuances so you can tailor your choices to your specific health goals, particularly when it comes to supporting prostate health. So, grab a notepad, or just get ready to soak in some valuable information. We're going to look at the science, the practical tips, and everything in between. By the end of this video, my goal is for you to feel empowered to choose the chicken preparation method that best aligns with your health journey. We're all about making healthy eating accessible and understandable, so let's get right into it and see which cooking style comes out on top for your health. Alright, let's kick things off with stewed chicken. Stewing chicken uses water, broth, or a light sauce, unlike deep frying, which submerges it in oil. Any rendered fat can be skimmed off, especially after chilling. This reduces the amount of added fat you consume. Stewing doesn't require large amounts of oil or butter. Herbs, spices, and vegetables add flavor without extra fat. Stewing avoids high-heat frying with processed oils, eliminating trans fats. This benefits cardiovascular health and overall well-being. Stewing melds natural flavors without a fatty coating. The chicken becomes tender and succulent, absorbing the flavors. Let's delve into inflammation. Chronic inflammation contributes to many health problems. Stewed chicken is less inflammatory than fried. The cooking method and ingredients matter. Fried foods can promote inflammation. High heat forms harmful compounds. Stewing uses lower temperatures. This reduces harmful byproducts. Stewing controls temperature better. It prevents scorching and charring. Fewer inflammatory byproducts are created. Managing inflammation is key for health. Let's talk about protein. Chicken is renowned as a fantastic source of high-quality protein, essential for muscle repair, immune function, and overall satiety. But how you prepare it can significantly impact how clean that protein source remains. Stewed chicken, especially when prepared mindfully, excels as a lean protein option, largely because it allows you to easily control and minimize added fats, particularly those that could be detrimental. The key here is starting with lean cuts and removing visible fat. If you opt for skinless chicken breast or even skinless thigh meat, which is a bit more flavorful but still relatively lean, you're already setting yourself up for success. When you stew these lean cuts, the gentle cooking process helps retain their moisture and tenderness without needing to add fats for flavor or to prevent drying out. The broth or cooking liquid does that job beautifully. This is crucial because some research has suggested that high intake of certain types of fats, particularly animal fats found in red meat or the skin of poultry, might be associated with an increased risk of certain cancers, including potentially prostate cancer. While the evidence is complex and multifactorial, opting for leaner protein sources and cooking methods that don't add unhealthy fats is a prudent approach for cancer prevention and overall health. Stewing allows you to achieve this with chicken. Think about the typical components of a stew. You have your lean chicken, a flavorful broth, and an abundance of vegetables. This combination provides a complete, nutrient-dense meal. The protein from the chicken helps keep you full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating or reaching for less healthy snacks. This is beneficial for weight management, which in itself is important for prostate health, as obesity can be a risk factor for prostate issues. The process of stewing itself doesn't inherently add cancer-promoting fats. Chapter 4. Grilled chicken's edge. Fueling muscles and immunity, leanly. Now let's shift gears and talk about grilled chicken. Grilling is another incredibly popular way to prepare chicken, and for good reason. When done correctly, grilled chicken can be an excellent source of lean protein, playing a vital role in supporting muscle health and bolstering your immune system, all without the burden of excess fat that can come with other cooking methods. Protein is the building block of our bodies, essential for repairing tissues, building muscle mass, and producing enzymes and hormones. Grilled chicken, particularly skinless chicken breast, is packed with high-quality protein. This is crucial not just for athletes or bodybuilders, but for everyone. Maintaining healthy muscle mass is important for metabolism, strength, and mobility, especially as we age. A good serving of grilled chicken can provide a significant portion of your daily protein needs. One of the great things about grilling is that it allows fat to drip away from the meat. As the chicken cooks on the grates, excess fat renders out and falls into the grill, rather than being reabsorbed by the meat, as can happen in a pan-frying scenario if you're not careful. This natural fat-reducing process helps to keep the final product leaner, which is a big plus for overall health and for those specifically watching their fat intake. This lean protein is also vital for a robust immune system. The amino acids that make up protein are essential for producing antibodies and immune cells that fight off infections. A diet deficient in protein can weaken your immune response. By incorporating lean grilled chicken into your meals, you're providing your body with the necessary tools to maintain a strong defense system, which is always important and certainly relevant when considering long-term health and resilience against illness. Chapter 5. Grilling Smarter. Achieving lower saturated fat. Grilled chicken can be lower in saturated fat, benefiting heart health. Saturated fat raises LDL cholesterol, increasing heart disease risk. Grilling doesn't require much added fat. Use skinless chicken to reduce fat content. Grilling allows fat to drip away. Opt for homemade marinades with healthy ingredients. Control what goes onto your chicken to keep it lean. Chapter 6. The no trans fat advantage of grilling. One of the most significant health advantages of grilling chicken, similar to stewing, is the complete avoidance of trans fats, provided you're not using trans fat-containing oils or marinades, which is generally easy to control with grilling. Trans fats, as we've mentioned, are particularly detrimental to health, and their elimination from the diet is strongly recommended by health organizations worldwide. They offer no nutritional benefit and pose considerable risks. Trans fats are most commonly found in partially hydrogenated oils, which have historically been used in many processed foods, shortenings, and some margarines to improve texture and shelf life. They are also formed in small amounts when oils are repeatedly heated to high temperatures, such as in commercial deep fryers. Since grilling doesn't typically involve submerging food in oil or using these types of processed fats, it's a cooking method that naturally helps you steer clear of trans fats. This is incredibly important for prostate health. Trans fats are known to promote inflammation and have been linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Chronic inflammation can be a contributing factor to various prostate conditions, including prostatitis and potentially benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, or even prostate cancer. Therefore, any dietary strategy that minimizes trans fat intake is a positive step for prostate wellness. When you grill chicken at home, you have complete control over the ingredients. You're not relying on a restaurant's frying oil that might have been used multiple times, or might be a source of hidden trans fats. You're using fresh ingredients and a direct heat source. This transparency and control are key to ensuring your meal is as healthy as possible and free from these harmful fats. Consider the impact of trans fats on cellular health. Outrow, your plate, your choice, making chicken work for your health. So there you have it. Both stewed and grilled chicken can be healthy options if prepared correctly. As we've seen, stewing shines with its ability to minimize unhealthy fats and reduce inflammation due to its gentle, moist heat cooking. It also allows for the creation of incredibly flavorful lean protein dishes packed with vegetables and beneficial herbs. On the other hand, grilling offers a fantastic way to get lean protein that supports muscle and immune health, allows fat to drip away, and, like stewing, helps you avoid harmful trans fats. The key really is in the preparation and the ingredients you choose. Remember to avoid excess fats, salts, and charring, regardless of which method you prefer. When grilling, don't let your chicken get too blackened, as that can create undesirable compounds. For stewing, opt for lean cuts and skim any excess fat. Pair your chicken with nutritious sides like plenty of colorful vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats from sources like avocado or nuts. It's about creating a balanced plate that supports your overall well-being and specifically your prostate health. Ultimately, the healthier choice between stewed and grilled chicken often comes down to how you prepare it and what your specific health goals are. Both can be part of a nutritious diet. We hope this breakdown has given you the insights you need to make informed decisions in your own kitchen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. We're here to help you on your journey to a healthier, happier life.